Now we are discussing the next classification of data structure, and that is called the non-linear data structure. Well, we know that in the non-linear data structure, it is not the linear one, just like the linear data structure. We have started our journey with the types of data structure. We have learned the primitive and non-primitive. Then we have gone through the classification. In the first classification, we have gone with the linear data structure, which is like array, linked list, stack and queue are the part of linear. Now we are having the non-linear data structure, and in the non-linear data structure, we should know one thing. The elements are not into the sequence. There is not compulsion that they should be into sequence. They can be into the any of the form. So here we can say that elements not form sequence. Means it is not required that they should be following some sequence. And yes, the examples of non-linear data structure is, the best example we are having is the graph, and then afterward we are having is the tree. Well, tree is very powerful example of the non-linear data structure, because inside the tree we will learn so many trees. There are different type of trees we will learn, just like AVL tree, B tree, binary search tree. So all these trees we will learn at the time of the tree chapter. But first of all, we should understand what the graph is. If I talk about the first type, which is the graph, now graph is the interconnection of multiple nodes into any of the way. Let us suppose that this is some element, assuming 11. Now it is connected with some other element like 10, or maybe it is connected with some other element 15. Then there is 16, by which this 10 is connected and 15 is connected. Then 17, it is connected like this. Then 19, they are connected like this. There can be any of the sequence in which they are connected. Means there is no as such sequence required. Now if you has to traverse the number, you can start from any of the order. That is your way, because there are some different methods like binary search. Okay, out of that we can search it, or we can traverse them with the depth first search or breadth first search. So depending upon any of the sequence we can take out and we can just trace them. So that's why they are called non-linear, because there is no as such sequence. We can even start with the 11. We can start with this 11 and we can might go here, we can traverse the 10, or we can go on 16, then we can even come back on 15, or we can go on the 19, then we can go on 17. So that can be the order. There is no as such sequence placed. Or it is my wish that I can also go in some other order. Let us suppose I start with the 15 this time. I will go till 11. Then afterward I go on the 10. Then I go on 17. Afterward I go on 19, then 16, and then 15. So anyway I can just traverse them. There is no as such sequence. So this is called the graph. The graph can be cyclic. Cyclic means they are making the cycle, or they cannot be having the cycle. So this is the example of the graph. Now we are taking the example of the non-linear data structure, which is the tree. So talking about the tree is having some kind of restriction. Just like we said, a tree is having the two child. Now, assuming that there is a 17 node, it can have two children only, maximum two children. Nobody is stopping us to make the zero children or the one children. So maximum two children I am taking. Let us suppose that it is 11 or it is the 18. Again, this node is the parent node which can contain two children. Supposingly it is contained 12 and it is containing 17. Similarly, it is containing 16 and it is containing 15. Now it may contain only one children. Let us suppose the children is 10. It is also containing only one children, supposingly 9. It is having no children and it is having on the two childrens. Let us suppose 20 and 21. So here we have given the condition. The condition is that maximum two children. Every node can has maximum two children, means it can contain two child, one child or zero child. We can make the tree 3 children, 4 children, n children. So this is the representation of a tree. Tree, there we are not having the cycles. So this is also the representation of the nonlinear data structure. So in the nonlinear data structure, we are having the two major categories. One is graph and one is the tree. So with that, we are having no as such sequence to be formed, and we can go with any of the order of our choice. So that is the nonlinear data structure.